Hi, in this video I will show you how to use and benefit from the programmability feature of a Splendid ERP. The programmability feature or a custom transaction feature which has been recently added to Splendid ERP will give the end user the ability of creating and managing his own codes. He can create any programs, he can create any reports or any functionality if he wants to add to the application. He can utilize a lot of built-in features, built-in functions, and built-in procedures. And I will show you how to access them, how to create them, and how to give users accessibility to the same, and how to manage it, and how to delete, and how to use it. To access the screen, you can click the newly added button here, which is custom transaction. Either you can click here or there is a shortcut, which is Alt F11. Or even there is another shortcut if you're familiar with the home button, which is the F12 key. And if you want to use this with F12, yes, of course you can do it. Just type Z and press enter. You're here. These are the options available here. It will give you the list of all functions and procedures available. Beside the normal, the standard functions of the programming language itself, all Splendid's own functions, hundreds of functions, you can access, utilize them when you are doing your coding here. It will give you a list of the available functions and the procedures. See, these are the procedures and the functions available. There are hundreds of functions which you can utilize. I will show you how to use them. Let's start with creating one transaction of taking a list of customers. Let's call it, let me click add. See, these functions will be available only for admin users or the technical support users. Standard users will be able to only execute the programs which are assigned to them. To add a new piece of code, click the add button and give it a name. Remember to start it with a Z to identify and distinguish it with from other functions and to identify it as a custom transaction. Always start with a Z name. So let me name it Z my cust. Z my cust means I need a list of my customers, the format which I need. Let's start with a very simple list of customers. See, here you can write your code. The name you have mentioned is shown here at the status bar at the bottom, and you are in the add mode. Here you can write your code. You can select start from customers into a temporary table which is shrep, and you call a built-in function which is run in exe do form preview, which is also a built-in function with an option for you to take the data into Excel sheet, or you can manipulate the data the way you want. Let's give it a name and save it. My customer list. This is how it is. Click save. Your transaction is ready. Your transaction can be called with the name zmycust. It is inactive, and you can click activate it. Once you click, it is activated. Now you can give access to another user. You have logged in as admin user. I'm giving the right to another user. For example, I will add my own name, which is Nazir. Okay. Now you can and see who have access to this transaction. Let me now log in as Nazir. See, this is the screen where I have logged in as Nazir. So if I click here, I can see the transactions I have access to. Here all buttons are disabled except the execute button. Once I click run, I can get the list of all customers. Wow, see, all the customers are here. I can sort it by name. I can filter it. I can take it into Excel sheet. Whatever I want to do, I can do it. I will show you. Let me show you another feature. See, if you know this code, ZMyCust, user can directly execute them either by F12, ZMyCust. Just type ZMyCust. You get a list of your customers directly without needing you to click any other things. Just type press F12, then just type ZMyCust. You will get the list of your customers. This is the feature of the programmability. And I will show you as an admin user. You have access, as I shown, you have access to many functions. For example, I will show you one of the functions, which is NTOW. Okay, let me just show you another option here. Let me create one function here, Alt F11. I want to get the list of customers with their balance, who has a balance. For example, I already created this. Let me just click edit and save it. Okay, this is how I get the list of customers with the balance, where I can give a condition also from customers to show, to go to the next line, put a semicolon where balance not is equal to 0. I edit it and save it. Now let me execute this. Wow, I see all my customers and their balances in one go. So this is the end user functionality of the Splendid ERP, which you can benefit from. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please you can get back to me.